When it comes to RICOH, you don't really hear much in terms of the e-reader world, the e-ink world. They usually make printers and cameras and stuff like that, but they did make, in collaboration with e-ink, a 42-inch whiteboard. This thing is massive. Let's check out this video they just uploaded a couple days back. That is gigantic. What kind of stylus are they using, I wonder? Wow, that is massive. That's bigger than most people's TVs. 5.9 kg. You guys are gonna have to convert that for you American guys out there that need pounds. 14.5 millimeters. Wow. 2880 by 2160 is not that big of a resolution, honestly. Okay, there's waterproofing. Yeah, it's good on battery because it's e-paper. The battery is built in, they say. Oh wow, it's really reflective. And there's a not a significant delay, but there is a delay when they write. Oh, you erase by scribbling, like scratching away. Okay, you can change the font size. That's gonna change it. Okay, yeah, it changed it to the proper writing. So even if your writing is bad. Oh, a strike through enables you to area selection. Rotate. It doesn't do it live. You have to you have to wait. No, it has yellow, cyan, and magenta, but it doesn't show up on screen, so they're going to be different levels of gray, much like, you know, the Sony does and stuff like that. Okay, when you export, yeah. Stop. Stamp. I got it. Okay. Oh, wow. Well, you know, Japanese did create emojis. Ooh. Cool. Doku. Poison. Oh, cool. Alright, cool, yeah. Wow. And there's the actual whiteboard stuff you can do with it, and you can actually get your scheduling done and stuff like that. Oh, cool, you write female and it turns into female in Japanese. Oh, you can hide what you write as well. Cool. You can upload to the cloud as you draw, so it saves everything along the way, kind of thing. Cool! Wow, you can make quadrants. Okay, so there's like live, yeah, okay. Yeah. So like the, I think Supernode does that too. They do kind of, as long as you're on the same Wi-Fi network, you're allowed to live stream to certain things. Live view, I think they call it on Remarkable. Yeah, you can view your things on a different place. Oh, you write copy and it copies. Nice. Check. Okay.
さまざまなクラウドストレージから e-Whiteboard へ文章をダウンロードしたり e-Whiteboard で書いた情報をアップロードすることができます。
Oh, cool. You can both upload and download to the cloud. Cool. That is massive. You know, I know how much this thing is. I already checked. You know, it's like $4,000. It is as much as the model number it is. Yeah, you know, honestly, RICOH isn't known for making those kind of things, so to see them come out with something like that is pretty out of left field. As you guys know, we do have a Good eReader Japan office, and we do have a lot of business relationships with the Japanese companies like Fujitsu, Sony, King Jim, Epson, stuff like that. So hopefully we can get some of these units in. But to be completely honest, $4,000 for a unit, it's a stretch. I mean, look at the Guido. The Guido's like $1,800, and we've only sell about one of those a month. So, you know, it has its place, but 42 inches of e-ink, maybe, maybe not. We'll have to see. For GoodEReader.com, this is Peter.